I'll never forget my first voiceover. I just pressed record and started talking like a parrot. I made so many mistakes, but I didn't know how to correct them. I didn't know that I could edit the voiceover. I knew nothing. But today, I'm here to help you get on the path I once wished I had known about.
I will be sharing with you how I created this voiceover process.
Wait, did you hear that voice? Don't worry. In this video, I will be taking you on a step-by-step process of creating professional voiceovers using AI or your own voice for your videos.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing this face, my name is Mine, and today I'll be showing you guys how I recorded that voiceover you just listened to, both the one with my voice and with that AI. But before I start, I have 3 tips I'll be sharing with you guys. The first one is that you should record your voiceover in a quiet environment so that noise from that environment do not interfere with your voiceover. Number 2, practice your voiceover. You can script it and practice your script very well so that your voice will flow smoothly and your voiceover will align with your video. It will make more sense and people will be more inclined to watch you. Number 3, if your voice is having issues, and by that I mean if you're not feeling fine, maybe you're having cough and it's affecting your voice, that is not the right time to record your voiceover because you need your voice to be crystal clear for people to enjoy. You could just wait till when you are fine, then you can record your voiceover. Alright, that being said, if you do not have Capcut in your phone, download it now. Let's get to the real deal.
So the first step is to open your Capcut app and click on New Project. You'll be directed to your gallery. Select the videos you want to add voiceover to. Just touch these tiny circles and they'll be selected. Then click on Add to import those videos into Capcut. The next step is to find the voiceover feature. Just check down. You see Edit Audio. Click on Audio. You see Sound, Brand Music. Swipe to where you have Record and click on Record. You'll see a blue mic. Click on that blue mic. Start recording your voiceover. You can start reading your script, speak clearly, use mic if you have any, and do not be in a haste. Just record yourself calmly at your own pace. If you want to pause your recording, just click on the mic and it will pause. And go ahead to record again, like that till you have your whole script. Now, the good part about voiceover is that you can edit your voice. Just click on your voiceover clip and you have a drop down option. You have split, a whole lot. Now, let's say you didn't like the first part of your recording. Click on split and split it. Click on the option delete to delete that part. You can as well drag your voice down to that part as well, like to the beginning of your video. You can drag it like this. Yeah. Now, to increase the volume of your audio, you can just click on volume and drag it either forward or backward, depending on if you want to increase or decrease the volume. Always remember to click the check mark to apply your feature. You can also extract an audio from somewhere and apply it to your video by clicking on extracts. Yeah. Now, to make the AI voice, just click on text to audio and type whatever you want to type. Here I type, my name is Precious. Actually, my name is not Precious. Go ahead to type whatever you want the AI to say and click on next. Then scroll to where you have text to speech. Click on that and select whatever voice you want to select. There are different ones. We have TV host. I think that was the one I selected in this video. We have different options. Choose the one that suits your video type. Now listen to mine.
My name is Precious.
When you are done, drag your right up down so that it won't be visible in your video, and then click the check mark to generate the speech. I hope you're following. Now let's listen to the audio again.
My name is Precious.
After watching this video, what's your excuse not to record your voiceover? Oh, you do not like your voice? Then use AI. You have options. Choose any AI voice that you like and make your video. When you're satisfied with everything, click on export to export your video into your gallery. I really hope this tutorial was helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if there is anything you want me to teach you on CapCut, drop in the comment section and I'll be so glad to make a video on it. Thank you so much. Bye.